Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is daily maths practice video. I'm going to solve these four operations with you mentally: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. If you need help in your mental math skills, you can watch this video and learn how to do maths mentally and how to speed up your mathematical calculations. Okay. So let's do it. The first part is addition part. So let's start with addition part. Okay. This is one side. I will add ones into ones. 9 plus 5 is 14. 1 carried forward. 8 plus 5 is 13. And 1 14. Okay. Next is 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 carried forward. It will become 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 6 is 9, and there is nothing to add in hundred side, so I will write 1 as it is. Okay, 3 plus 7 is 0, 10, 1 carried forward. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 1 13, and 1 carried forward and it will become 3, 330. Okay, 5 plus 8 is 13, 1 carried forward. 2 plus 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and 2. Okay, let's speed up. 3 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, 1 forward. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 6, 1 forward, 2. Okay, 2 plus 1 is 3. 9 plus 1 is 10. 3. Okay, 7 plus 8, 7, 7, 14 and 1, 15. 6 plus 6, 7, 8 and 6. Okay, 7 plus 1, 8 and this 10 and this 6. Okay, and this is 10, 13, 14 and this. Okay, if I am doing any mistake, you can tell me in comment section. Okay, now we will go and solve this subtraction side. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. 8, we cannot subtract from 8, it will become 13. 18 minus 9 is 9 and 3 as it is. Okay, 0. And 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, 7 minus 4 is 3, and 6 minus 4 is 2, and again 2. Okay, 2 minus 3 we cannot do. We will take carry. 12 minus 3 is 9, and 2 minus 2 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 4 and this is 5. This is 6 and this is 2. This is 0 and 11. 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Or we can go like this: 8, 9, 10, 11. We will add just 3 to make it 11. So we can do this way. Okay, 0, 0, 2 and again 2. Okay, 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 5 minus 1 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2, and then this 2. So we are done with the subtraction side. Let me put a line here, and now we will do multiplication. Multiplication is very easy. Let's do it with green color. Okay, when two zeros are multiplied with each other, so we will write 2 zeros, and 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. Got it? Like 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 0 multiplied by 0 is double 0, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. Got it? When two zeros are multiplied by each other, we will just add them. Zeros will be added. Okay, 0 multiplied by 0 will be 2 zeros. 9 4 times is again 36. 2 zeros and 21. 2 zeros and 25. 2 zeros and 8 2 times is 16, and 8 1 time 8 and 1 9. Got it? I did it this way. 12 multiplied by 8. 8 2 times is 16. 1 carried forward. 8 1 time is 8 plus 1 9. Okay. And now here we will write 3 zeros. 1 2 3 zeros. 9 6 times is 54. 1 2 3 zeros and a 12. 1 2 3 zeros and 45. 1 2 3 zeros and 32. 1 2 3 zeros and 9. I'm doing it in speed because I want you to learn how to do maths in speed. Okay, now this is division. Division is also easy. Okay, 0 will cut the other 0. Where 48 comes in the table of 6, it is 8 times. Okay? Okay, 0 will cut the 0, and 54 divided by 9 is 6. 0 will cut 0 and it is 4. 0 will cut 0 and sorry, why did I write 0 here? 0 will cut 0 and it is 4 only. This 0 will cut 0 and again it is 4. The question is same. 0 will cut 0 and it is 30. No, we cannot cut any 0 here. 42 comes 6 times and 0 will come as it is. 35 comes in the table of 5 at 7 times and 0 will come as it is. Okay, where 72 comes in the table of 7? In the table of 12. 12 5 times is 60 and 12 6 times is 72. 6 times is 72 and 0 will come as it is. Okay, 8 2 times is 16 and 0 will come. 7 4 times is 28 and 0 will come as it is. Okay, you can point me out if I have done any mistake in calculation, or if you want more videos like this mental maths practice, please tell me in comment section. I'll make more. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.